Duracom's public safety power enclosures offer a complete UPS system designed to meet the National Fire Protection Agency's requirements for in-building public safety radio and cellular communications. The Public Safety, or PS series, has the necessary dry contact alarms for AC fail, charger fail, and low battery alert required by the NFPA code. Our PS series provides uninterruptible DC power with 12, 24, or 48 volt options. We also have a 110 volt AC version. The battery capacity is designed to comply with the NFPA 4, 12, or 24-hour backup requirements in a NEMA 4X wall mount enclosure. Additionally, our optional Site Sentry remote monitoring and control unit offers an internet-based monitoring and the ability to add SNMP alarming.